Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to end a 4-strand round braid using a buckle. This video has been requested many times and I finally figured out a good way on how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to take your braid and you want to pinch off the two cables very close to each other like so. What you're going to do is you're going to cut those very close. And then you're just going to burn the two together. And then you're going to take one strand and you're going to cut it very close and you're going to melt that as well. So you're going to end up with 3 strands burned close together like so. You're going to take the last remaining strand and you can have one of these or a pair of needle nose pliers. What you're going to do is unclamp it. You're going to make your loop and then you're going to follow the strand right here. So you're going to go through like so. Oops. How about if I had the buckle on? So make sure you put your buckle on. You're going to follow the strand. You're going to make your loop like so. And then follow it one more time to keep both burned ends on the same side. So just go through the braid like so. And just going to follow the second strand right there. And then you got to cut it. You're going to burn it. And there you have the end of your braid with the buckle. Granted, the end is going to be a little bit thicker, but overall, it's not bad. And it's plenty strong to use it as a necklace. Hope you guys liked the video. And, just comment. Thanks.